Indlalifa ngumfana nkasana isunu ngubani zabarum dum dum Indlalifa.
Ooh, my music. I miss you so much. Come upstairs for only 5 minutes, my darling. Oh, yeah, boy.
I'm standing on this Twitter.
Ish, I'm such a good dancer. After 20 years doing it.
Let's go simkumbuza lakho sasekuthunulo Magabi nevosh Saphila nomkhulu Yabestela ama-fiber Ishichu boxing ngomthulu Sijayela ngalezi shona Bandabize nomana Play the music.
One tune I go man. Aye. I love our
Sam, besides this nonsense music of yours that you're playing, who gave you the permission to change my music?
The point of Kuruma, you got into those Kuruma as Swagala in Popia.
feeling having is a piece on the way of faith. Guys, I'm pointing at Pila.
Sam, a point would only be anything, and I shall tell you that, please.
Oh, yeah, so the end
Exactly. Think about it to Yami. I want to teach you that pension.
Man, basically, I'm the best dancer in the house.
Best dancer? I'm the best dancer in the country, Baba.
Oh, that's what dance. Okay.
Siento Sivona. Alright. Sivona.
Paga, Boni, Panabam. Just get away.
Ash. Alright, ready?
Rain.
Action!
Guys, go. Alright, guys. So clean. So right, guys. The house is clean for now.
It's not what this look like.
Mina vele bengiziklinela phandle sikasiqaba bebengibiza ngazi ukuthi bebengibizela.
Lena, umalume uzalibulala. Uhlala iqedwe ugida ngizibukelele mina.
Mama Nangai, you still get the concept of your presence here. Clearly, no one can be your friends from class A to class B. So, we brought you here to help.
And you're only helping yourself.
And ngokungincedisa ukuklina lapha. Kodwa nxa uboss bezonje lami ngiyasonda.
Lingekele mina, your uncle is a hooter when he's angry. Liyafuna litshela izinto angenza zona nxa ezodilelo lapha.
Keep it to yourself here.
Uyakwanisa ukutshela mina kumbe ngitshengisa ngale mathematics ngale ngathi.
Unazamboni, you are the main reason why we are in this mess. Siloke sibhisilele ingoma yakho zerumba. Ngabe silalela ingoma zikaLia ezeyipop manje uyasula simile la. Sibhisikidala erumba la.
Mina.
Guy,
Yeah. Ekitchen. Kateso.
Themba lonke liyakwazi ngilibizele ndaphandle.
It's not like they were dancing or stripping or turning this house into a nightclub.
Semfuna ukuba wazi ukuthi bebesenzani ke.
Actually, they were.
We continue.
Indlalifa.
Everybody ready? Lights. Camera. Action. Cut. Makeup. And I'm still not feeling it. Okay, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, right. I've seen that you guys have lost your culture, so I will help you get close to it. This.
Thank you so much, Malume. Yeah.
Bonjour.
Malume, that function I told you about.
Pants.
Just sit down and listen to your uncle. He won't be long.
Leah, awungene uphuma mbijana. Wait, open that door. Open that door. Ah, hey. Lizachopoka, lizamesema uphathe wesikwama. Mama nanga abakipela. Masinya. Yeah. Ani. Right, go and change into this now. You know what? Sometimes what you wear reminds you of who you are. You understand? So this will definitely help you.
That's why I wear this and
Hayi, lina bantwana lokho lokufaka phambili lokho ngokwemuva. Hawu. Kumele lichinja nini? Kumayile yama.
Sesisejinja manje.
Shishira kona la. Lina bafana, liyakwazi ukuthi kutala bakhala ngoba amahlamba. Kumele funa siqale lapho.
Hayi man sebethi.
Very good. Now this is what you will wear until Malume says you can change, alright? And Leah, or you can go to that function of yours.
Really, Malume?
Yeah.
So I can go change for the function, right?
When? Right. How many?
Sure, I RSVP'd this function on every social media, and my friends are expecting me to go in.
Hayi malume ni sarent nje. Sarent. Kathi vele unjani?
Can't you know any squint?
this thing is irritating me.
Squinty Mass one. Often, can you pass me the lotion for Squint? Wait.
Do you know I feel like Chaga this soon? So Chaga took his throne and killed all those who were trying to take it away from him.
Yes! Yeah. Finally.
What?
My research.
What about your research?
I found that that woman doesn't wear like that.
Oh my God, that's why I love you. That's why I love you.
But that's not lovely. That's painting me, man.
Leah, asambe siyetshela umalume wakho. Yimi ngiyafika ngoba. Squintori. Wena isikhokho wena Squintori. Squintori isikhokho wena.
Yes. Let's go remove this. This is an embarrassment to our culture. Why does Malume get all these ideas from? Like, what is this?
Kachman, what's with the ugly voice?
Squint, help.
Baya, I'm busy, man. How?
Wait, you said I'm busy or I am busy? But I remember writing it with the word. Wait.
Wow. And I'm so RSVP if
This helps both of us. We'll both be close to the enemy to attack. Ha!
Hey. Nabantwana. Kanti Malume unjani? Sengibhisi ngigijimisa iyadi lonke lengijimiswa izinja zakhe. Sengiselifeka lokuthayimela khona. Hayi man.
Kathi uthayimela izinja zangaphi wena? Oh, yikho kuyena mathambo ekitchen.
Ngizakudishula.
Yeah, guys. Auntie is wrong. If you continue wearing like this,
Ya, ngike ngalitshela le idea lami le.
Nini Zaka?
Ekuseni.
Singakagqoki lo.
Yithi laphana emini. Hayi, never mind. Nataliswanga le ngidliswa yezinto.
Guys, yeah, let's call Uncle. If this is how our culture says we should dress, he should lead by example.
What is the problem, my well-cultured kids?
According to our well-researched research,
Yes.
our forefathers never used to dress or wear like this.
Yes.
And if we continue wearing like this, we won't be pleasing them in any way.
Okay.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Right. Mamnangi, laba bantwana abasangihlonipha, anti bafuna ukutshintsha bona. Funa badingela amantsaro la, ubanike amantsaro betshintshe begqoka amantsaro. You understand? Mina yibo umalumabo, mina yime ngikwaziyo, yime ngismart, iculture ngiyayazi, ngifundisa njani? Bona. Understand? Badingele insaro lapha betshintshe, mina ngisadinga amahlamvu, bazambona kahle. Aso. Funda abantu abakuzilokuzela.
Guys, why does he get all this? Like, where does he even keep it? Can you go out of the war?
Hayi mama lesesidelila kathesi. Hayi. Sesibhonisa amaphamba kathesi. Hayi. Which African hero won this bed?
Kathweleke, ukudijela phambili.
Oh, alapha ngathi shrimpini.
Wena zap. Uthi bawudula sakuthi
Ndazile tshemurenge.
Guys, I just had an idea. What if Singa Jackson Malumu to enjoy?
Yeah. Guys, that could be the move. And we genuinely express the joy.
Lapha mngani wami. Lapho ishayile.
Asenze fast man. That's right. Some feeling man.
No guys. Ngiyabile why? Thina abama arts salenze ichuni. And wathini ko? Kota. Hayi ngongota piano.
Asenze ndiyani.
The songs we dance to every day.
I see culture with a bit.
Hayi isandla sakho siyabulala mamnango. Idale yana uzingithi beans, wangithi ntomba, wangithi maqanda. Angene basi. Ngabathi wani?
Kwaba biphathi yonke. Awuyandimaza mina.
Ngitshelani?
Akula umuntu ngotshona lami. Abantu 1. Abanye bahlaba phandle vela kwahla. Abantu abahlabelela. La. Hamba watshela ukuthi I'm happy. Sifundile iculture. Ngizokwenza strategize. Fast.
Hey guys, kamalinga liyalizwa ndiyathaba ukuthi liyakwanisa njani. Uyizepha ukuthi liyakwanisa. But ngicela niphindele futhi. Yeah, that's what your uncle said. Wow. Thank you, Mama Ngai. And the baby kid, I won't not design.
All right. Baza ngazi kahle. Ngirubani kwetshintshuro. Nafuna ubuzanga. All right. Ngazi kahle. Thank you. Ani.
Oh my god, guys. I'm getting really good feedback for the pictures I posted.
Yeah, what fashion did you want to attend?
Oh yeah, by the way, Rock Point Celebration invited us to be their guests. They've been seeing the pictures we've been posting in all those costumes.
Okay, Tina singena ngaphi khonapho.
Wena awungeni indawo baba thina siyakwanisa ukuhamba sikuthela lapha siyatshaye ibhasi. Asifake utshaye ibhasi.
Guys, Rock Point is a big company. And it's just not so long, but yes, England. Something. I wonder this is a generation.
Batholele gita abantu bekumnandi njani?
Bekumnandi?
Ukuthi bokugidela.
Lapho uthi bagida bedlulayo.
Wena.
Fana mina ngagida bangikhunga ngembuzi mina. Imbuzi lebhot. Yabona iprobe le? Awungazi kahle. Yabona mina fana ngagida inkulu. Bonke wena yabulala mina. Ayongigidela lami. Mina. Yabulala mina. Yagida lapha fana.
guys,
Who does it want comrade Zamba Jefanchi? Askambe. So kupusile.
First class okay, let's not was test my page.
Being is tata land big too much. Oh, anyway, guys, before we go, let's take a selfie.
Wonke umuntu akathi mcijo wedgola Rock Point.
Mcijo wedgola Rock Point.
Hayal